channel Climb Up with Sia. Hope you guys are doing amazing. So guys, today it's a vlog. After a long time I am shooting a vlog because we are going out for a small staycation, just a day's staycation, and I'm gonna take you guys with me. So guys, be ready for this fun trip. It's going to be a short trip, but it's going to be a lot of fun. This is my look. I have not done any makeup. I just put my liner and lipstick, or else because of without my liner and lipstick I look very pale. I cannot do without my liner at least. So guys, yeah, that is what it is. So it is 7 in the morning and we are ready to go, and you guys are coming with me. So let's get into it.
So guys, we already on our way to Fraser Hill and I'm super excited to visit this place as I'm someone who love cold places, hill stations and all, and I cannot bear the heat around here. So yes guys, we are on our way to Fraser Hill. So let's go!
So guys, we just took a small break. So we are still on the way to Fraser Hill. So it's kind of a hill station around. So KL is pretty hot. So we just thought of going for a small staycation at Fraser Hill. So I'm taking you guys around. So we are just stopped by a gas station and we'll be going soon. So guys, we have just stopped by a small waterfall. Like you can see, there's a waterfall behind me. It is so pretty by the nature, so nice and quiet. Like you can see, we are in middle of a forest and it's pretty amazing. Come on, let's go. So there's a small trekking path here, like you guys can see. And here is the waterfall. So guys, we have finally reached here at Fraser Thingy, or Fraser Hill you can say. So I guess Thingy is hill, no, Bukit is hill. So it is Bukit Fraser. So look at all this lush green. It's pretty amazing here. Come on, say hi. So it's pretty nice over here. The climate is nice, good, not very humid, not very cold. I was expecting it to be more cold, but yeah, it's pretty nice. I like all this green here. It's pretty amazing. So there are a few places to go around. So first we'll have something and then we'll be going ahead. So yes guys, stay tuned. This is the place where we are gonna stay. It's Shazan Inn. So yeah, let's get inside and see if we can have an early check-in, because here the check-in timings are from 3 p.m. onwards. They have done the proper safety measures. The sanitizers have been kept. The scan code has been mentioned. And yeah, it looks pretty decent. The lobby looks good. So yeah, let's see if we can get early rooms or if we have any luck. So we couldn't have our check-in done as the rooms are not available, but we'll be heading towards the restaurant and having our brunch, you can say. So here they have just put up, like, Fraser Hill is very famous for birds. So like here are some lovely species of birds, like you can see. So they have put it up. And yes, place looks nice. So I can't tell anything about the rooms because we haven't seen the rooms yet. And this is how the place is. And there's a restaurant over here, like you guys can see. So yeah, that's pretty much it. You can see there are these scan codes everywhere. It's been put up so that you have to scan in and you can mention your temperature, everything in it. So this is the restaurant. Looks pretty decent, looks nice. Has a nice vibe. So I don't know about the menu. So once I know the menu, I'll share it with you guys. So yeah, place is pretty nice. It is pretty cool now. There are no fans or aircons, but it is nice and cool. So yeah, let's see what we are gonna have. So guys, we finally placed our order, and for people those are vegetarians, it's a tough task over here. There is mostly everything in non-veg. There are hardly few options for veg. So if you're choosing this place and if you're a vegetarian, you need to be a little careful. So yeah guys, so I'm starving, so we are going to eat something first, and kids are making noise. So we'll eat something first and then I'll show you around. So guys, we are done with our brunch. So there's a decent menu, but not for vegetarians. So just look at this place around. It is so nice, windy, amazing. It doesn't feel like you're in Malaysia, because Malaysian climate is like pretty hot. But yeah, here it is so nice. It's a hill station after all. It's nice and cold. Not very cold, you can say, but it's nice, breezy and cool. And this is what I'm wearing. The top is from Forever 21 and denims are from Shein, which I have shown in my Shein series. So guys, if you haven't watched my Shein series, go check it out. Click on the I button and you can see my Shein series. So this is the place. It is still 1:30, so we need to wait for 1.5 hours more for our check-in, because check-in is only at 3 and there's no early check-in. So guys, I'll give you a view around. So if you can see, this side is the reception being mentioned, and this side is the restaurant. And this is a lovely place. I'll be putting my written review on my Instagram. So those who are not following me on Instagram, guys, go follow me on Instagram. So it's pretty good over here. The smoking area is different than the dining area. It is so nice and green everywhere. It's nice lush green. It's a perfect staycation. It's hardly 2 hours drive from Kuala Lumpur. So if you guys are visiting Malaysia, definitely come to this place. I do suggest this place. So yes guys, let's see what else is there around.
So this is the room we booked. We had booked for a king size bed, and this bed doesn't seem like a king size one. The room is not exactly how they showed in the pictures. So here there's a small balcony which shows us the golf course. There's a golf course view, and the room is not very pleasing, but anyways, it's just a one night stay, so it's okay, I guess.
So guys, now we are on the way to the glass house. So this side is the glass house. I'll be taking you guys inside and showing you what exactly it is. So let's see what's inside. Like you guys can see here, there's a small boating place. It's not huge, but yeah, kids can have some fun because there is nothing much for kids to do around. This is something nice, and the weather is amazing. So come on, I'll be doing some boating and then I'll get back to you.
So guys, now we have come here for the horse riding. The boating was a flop. We couldn't do boating because kids were not allowed to do boating because they were too small. And so we have come here. Hopefully we can do some horse riding here with the kids. Like, this is a nice place, nice lush green. Like you can see there's an archery place over here and there is a horse riding place. It's just side by side. And you can see this cuties running ahead. So that's my husband with them. So yeah, let's see what we can do here. And I'm a kind of disappointed. My phone fell as we reached here and the screen is crashed, but luckily it's still working. So yeah, it's manageable. And now let's see what we can do over here. Like, if you guys can see, there are horses running around. So we have to buy the ticket here. It's, I guess, somewhere around 15 ringgits. So you need to pay for 15 ringgits and you get one round.
Hey guys, so we are back at the hotel and my little monkey is jumping on the bed. So we couldn't do boat riding. Then we did the horse riding thing and we went to the smokehouse. It's a Brit style restaurant. It's pretty nice. And then we are back at the hotel. So we'll just relax for a while and then go for dinner. So there is nothing much to do around. Kian, no jumping. So yeah guys, so there's nothing much to do. I am all tired. My phone is crashed and I am so frustrated because all my content is there in it. Whereas yeah, it's working so far, so it's okay. Yeah guys, so day 2 is coming up soon. So tomorrow let's see what all we are going to do. And the review for the hotel room is thumbs down. Lobby seemed really good and restaurant seemed nice, but the room is terrible. I did not like it. So yeah guys, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye. Good morning guys. So it is day 2 and it's 9:15 in the morning. We have just come down for breakfast and let's see what breakfast option they have. They said they don't have buffet, or what is it, we don't know. So we will be going and checking it out what it is. So I'll take you guys along and show you what options they have got. So let's see. So guys, we are done with our breakfast. There is no much option, and for vegetarians there is nothing. They have only bread and jam, I guess. That is all. But yeah, it was nice. So now we'll take some rest and we have a checkout at 12. So yeah, that is all for now. We'll just sit, relax and enjoy the weather. So guys, we are done checkout and we are waiting for another family to join us. So then we'll be heading back to KL. But before that, we'll be visiting a few more places. I guess there are 2 more places to visit. Yeah, the Watchtower. It is just walkable from here. And I guess a Singapore house. I don't know what it is exactly. I'll take you guys along. So yeah guys, see you there.
So guys, here we are at the Sungai Selangor Dam. So this place was on the way back to KL and there was nothing such as a Singapore house. It was just a stay kind of a thing. It was an apartment stay. They have just named it like a Singapore house. And you can see my Watchtower pictures on my Instagram. So that is all guys for this vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this and this vlog was helpful for you guys. Do hit like and subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more videos.